Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to turn off location services for Microsoft Edge. And now let's get started. To begin, open Microsoft Edge. Locate and click the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy, Search and Services, then select Site Permissions. Under Site Permissions, you will find an option labeled Location. Click Location to open the Location Permission settings. Here, you will see a toggle switch. To turn off location services, simply click the toggle. If you want to turn location services back on, click the same toggle again. This is the straightforward way to manage site location permissions in your Microsoft Edge browser. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.